Our lesson summary from what we learned yesterday. When two proportional quantities are graphed on a coordinate plane, the points appear on a line. The points appear on a line that passes through the origin. That is how we can determine if the graph is showing a proportional relationship. So in our problem set, number one, they ask us to determine whether or not the following graphs represent two quantities that are proportional to each other. Explain your reasoning. That's how they tell us. They do not want just a yes or no answer. You must tell how you know. So looking at our first graph A, we have donated money versus donations matched by a benefactor. Our X value across the bottom on our X axis is the money that was donated. Our Y value on the Y axis are the donations matched by the benefactor. All right. When we look at our line created here on our graph, it is a straight line through each of the points, and each of those points do pass, the line does pass through our origin there. So for graph A, your answer would be yes. It is proportional because the points appear on a line that passes through the origin. Looking at graph number 2, graph B. Here we have age versus admission price. On our x-axis, we have the age in years, and on the y-axis, we have the admission price, the amount paid. All right? We find our line here that goes through each of our points. So that is part of our criteria, a straight line through the points. But our other criteria says that the line has to pass through our origin, through our 0, 0 point. So in this case, it satisfies part, but not all of our requirements. So this one, okay, this one, I'm giving up. On graph B, this one, it is not proportional because the points appear on a line, but it does not pass through our origin, which is our 0, 0 point. All right. And finally, looking at graph C. Here, we have the extra credit versus number of problems. Okay, on our x-axis, we have our number of problems solved, and on our y-axis, we have our extra credit points received. So notice that our points graphed across here and then move upward. So this is kind of a straight line. It's actually two lines. The bottom one is straight across here, and then the other one moves up from there. Okay? But remember, they must all appear on one straight line that passes through our origin. So for graph C, no, this is not proportional because all the points do not appear on a line that passes through the origin. These do not. We cannot draw one single line that would include all.